Hello everyone. Today I want to play game from Java emulator, just like game Ghost Rider. Let's play together. I used to play this game from mobile phone, but now it's called Android from Samsung Galaxy Y. It's just emulator and I will play. I don't remember so much because it's long time that I seen this game. Now my enemy want to talk with me. Johnny was you not done. It's my time to become a gold leader. You will defeat Backhand and his gang of Highland. Or they some kind of fighting demon and like some vampire. You succeed and you consider defeat from the internal tournament of gold leader. Okay, just be fine. You can catch the win gold leader. You will say it a big goal. Let me introduce you to the second. Let's continue. I can remember how to play mud, but I they must have some sort of chain, something like that. Don't know how to put sword now. I play as I can play. I don't know how to put that chain to be my arm. That play like this before. Now I need to keep on this character. I don't mean to harm that card. Now I need die. I want to finish that gang leader of Ghost Demon or that vampire. Oh, for now. We're losing control. His frame burning well. That was some so want to killing me. Oh, we have been defeated. Okay, just like it we got alpha. And let's start to new card in someday. Goodbye everyone. Let's doing with other thing. I know that God is my enemy and his gang leader is my enemy too. Just in game. Just so you know. Okay, goodbye.